Do I have to tell the Social Security Administration about my long-term disability application when I apply for Social Security disability benefits? Now, many short and long-term disability policies or plans require that you apply for Social Security benefits because they get to reduce your short or long-term disability benefits by the receipt of Social Security. Under the Social Security rules, you're required to submit all the evidence and records from the long-term disability carrier or plan because they clearly relate to whether or not you are disabled for Social Security purposes, even though there might be a different definition of disability. That material could include your medical records, vocational specialist reports, peer review reports, IME reports, functional capacity evaluations, forms that your physicians complete called attending physician statement forms. And it doesn't matter, as I've said, that the short or long-term disability plan has a different definition of disability than used by the Social Security Administration. You're still required to submit this material, including any denial or termination of your benefits. Now, on the flip side, the short or long-term disability carrier or plan is entitled under the terms of the policy or plan to get a copy of your Social Security disability file. So we got to make sure that's consistent. It's consistent in your short-term and long-term disability file, and it's consistent in your Social Security disability file. Remember that the Social Security Administration doesn't have to explain why they accepted or rejected the long-term disability carrier's finding of disability. They're only required to consider the carrier plan's decision and decide if you meet the Social Security 5-step sequential evaluation test. So the information is relevant, and the judge is going to be asking questions about that, particularly when they look at your earning records and see that after the date you claimed you were disabled, you were collecting disability benefits. So being upfront is key. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits or short or long-term disability benefits and the interaction between the two, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you with both claims regardless of where you live in the United States. Don't delay and don't screw up either your short or long-term disability claim or your Social Security claim by failing to give the carrier and the Social Security Administration the information they're entitled to. 727-894-3188.